Is your Netflix screen too dark even with full brightness, or does it look dull or keep changing automatically? Don't worry, here's how you can fix any brightness problem on your any Android devices. So when you start watching something on Netflix, you will see a brightness slider on the left side of the screen. So sometimes while holding your phone, you might accidentally move it up or down. Next, you have to swipe down, open up your control center, and check your main brightness bar. So here you have to check adaptive brightness or auto brightness is turned off. If it's enabled, your phone can automatically adjust brightness, which may cause the screen to look dim or unstable while watching Netflix. Now you just have to make sure about some settings on your device settings app. So you have to open up your settings, and if you're using a Samsung device, there's an extra settings to check. That is from your settings, then advanced feature, and here we'll get the option video brightness. So now you have to set it to bright and make sure Netflix is enabled in that section. This actually increases brightness, especially during video playback. And just go back from here, and from the app section, you have to search for Netflix. Then just go to the storage section and clear the cache first. If the issue continues, you can tap clear data, but make sure you know your Netflix login details before you're going with that. And finally, just back from here and go to the battery settings and ensure Netflix is set to optimized, not restricted. And these restricted modes can sometimes affect battery brightness and performance. And that's it. These tips should fix the Netflix brightness problem on your Android and keep your screen clear and stable while watching. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.